Hi students, greetings of the day. In this video, I am going to explain a projection of pentagonal lamina. Take the question. A pentagonal lamina of edges 25 mm is resting on HP with one of its sides, means side condition, such that the surface makes an angle of 60 degree with HP full stop. The edge on which it rests is inclined at 45 degree to VP full stop. Draw its projections. By seeing the question, we can observe it is normal problem, right? Draw the first step according to the question. The edge side is 25 mm. Take draw 25 mm. Right. Draw the pentagon according to exterior angle method. Means exterior angle of pentagon is 72 degree. Measure from this side 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 72. Mark this point. One more from this end of the line 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 72. Draw the thin line, then one more. By using compass, measure 25 mm of the line, cut it on the straight line, one more and one more. Okay, erase the extra length of the line. Draw a dark line up to this 25 mm line. Once again, by using compass, take this length of the line. We know that the length of the line is already 25 mm. Place the needle point, draw an arc, place the needle point here, draw one more arc where two arcs are cut. From this point, draw a line up to this point, draw a line up to this point. Right, now our pentagon is ready. Mark the points, means corners, since it is in HP. Top view A, B, C, D and E, and show one of the length of 25 mm. 25 mm. Now draw the projections from every corner up to XY line. The projection line passing from B corner and also pass through D corner. Then one more from C. Now when I look from this side, you are seeing the line which is median of this pentagon. Mark this line as thick, but this is not a side of this pentagon, okay, which is in front view. When I look from this side, I am able to see only three corners, means A, B, C. I will write first one. This is A dash, this is B dash, this is C dash. While considering for E and D, these are not visible, these are hide in A and B. That's why I will kept in bracket E dash, and D dash. Okay, first position is over. In the next condition, he is given two angles. One is 60 degree with HP and 45 degree with VP. Presently, we have to draw the angle in VP. We can take the HP angle, right? I will place one reference point. Presently, I am drawing the angle of a line in VP by considering HP angle means 60 degree. From this point, I am drawing 60 degree, place a point, draw a thin line, very thin line, right? Drawn a line. Now measure length of a line from this point up to here by using compass. Place the point, needle point at this point, cut a arc on this line, right? Now remove extra length of the line. Make it line as dark. This point represents A dash, bracket of E dash, this point. Now I have to find from this point up to this point. Now I'm taking this distance and cut it on this line, right? This point represents B dash and D dash. Next, this point represents C dash, C dash. Now this view is over. Now I want to draw a projection line from VP up to HP. Draw one projection line, very thin lines, one more projection line and one more projection line. Draw projection line from HP, one projection line, one more projection line, one more, one more and one more. Remove the extra length of the line, unwanted lines. Now make this angle, mark this angle as 60 degree since it is given in question. Now I had to put the letters in the second step, where this is A, this is A dash, where A and A dash will coincide. Mark this point as A. In the same procedure, this is B line, this is B line, means this is B. Next, this is C line, this is C dash line, C. Then this is D line, this is D line, this is D. This is E line, this is E dash line. Mark this point is E. Now connect all the points from first A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, then E to A. Okay, by seeing the figure, you can observe the median length in the second step of the pentagon is decreased while comparing to the first step. Since here median is making 0 degree angle with XY, but in the second step it is making 60 degree with XY line. That's why its median is reduced. Here it is called true pentagon. This is apparent pentagon. Means second step is over. Now we can proceed for third step. Before going to third step, observe the question. What is the next angle he is given? Next angle is 45 degree with VP. This 45 degree we can show it in HP. Place a one reference point on XY line, mark 45 degree, 45 degree, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 45. Draw a line, okay, mark this 45 degree. In the question, he's telling that the edge on which it rests is inclined to 45 degree to HP. The edge, this is the resting edge of the pentagon. So that I want to place this A and E on 45 degree line. Measure the length. Automatically, this is 25 mm because this is also 25 mm. First, I will draw a 25 mm length of a line on 45 degree line. This is 0, 20, then 25. Mark it. This is E, this is A. In order to construct the third step, there is one more method you can follow, that is box method. Means you can first place it box, right? I will mark this box as 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 1, 2, 3, 4 represent a box of rectangle, right? Now from E to 1, how much is the distance? Okay, I will measure from compass. I will mark it. Then one more. Okay, from this 1 and 4, near to E there is a 1 point, near to A there is fourth point. Now from 1 to 2, how much is the distance? You can measure from using scale. Measure it, I think nearly 20 mm, 20 mm below. One more, 20 mm below. I will complete the box. Okay, now 1 and 4 is over. Now it will become 2 and 3. Okay, complete the sketch. While going for 1 to 2, there is a 1 point, that is D. I will measure from 1 to D. I will cut it 1 to 4. This is D. This is the same distance while compared to B to 4. While coming from 3 to 4, there is a B. Okay, 1 to D is equal to 4 to B. 4 to B. This is 4 to B. Now one more. While coming from 2 to 3, there is a point C. By using compass, measure the point 2 from C. From 2 to C. This point is this one. This is C. This is D. This is B. Now I will connect A to B, then B to C, then C to D, then D to E. Now, according to the condition, the edge on which rests is inclined at 45 degree to VP. This is the resting edge is inclined 45 degree to VP. The next step is extend the projections from HP to VP. From first point, Draw the projections very carefully, very thin line. First projection line from A, then next projection line from B, then next projection line from C, next projection line D, next projection line E. Now this one is over. Now draw a one projection line from above. Remove the extra lines. One more projection line is coming from B dash, bracket of B dash. This is the projection line. Now this step is very important not to complete. While I will start from A, this is A line. You can search for A dash line. This line represent A dash. Now this point represents A dash. This is B. This is B dash line. This point represents B dash. Then this is C. You can search for C dash. This is C dash. This point is, this is here. This is C dash point. Next, this is D. You can search for D. D dash. Here is the D dash. Mark this point as D dash. One more is E. Search for E. This line represents once again E. This is E dash. Now I will join the lines, all the joining the points from A to E. Okay, now A to B, B to C, C to D, then D to E. Now the projection of a pentagon according to this conditions given in the question is completes. This is the final answer of the